feel like I haven't spoken with you guys in a few days because my last couple videos were just my hands, because of the fact that my house was a little bit too loud, so I didn't want to get everybody on camera in the video, and I didn't want to tell them to leave just because I was trying to show you guys some good recipes for the gains. But today we're back live in front of the camera. I hope you guys are all doing well. I have some new shoes that I have to show you guys because you always ask about my shoes, my outfits, and certain things like that. So I'm going to review them for you and show you obviously some of my favorites and what I like to use them best for. So whether it's jumping around, working out, outfits, things like that. So yes, this one's correct. So one of my favorite brands is Adidas. I don't know who else out there likes Adidas, but I love Adidas. They bless me like with the new products. They don't literally bless me with it, but the things that they do to their shoes, I'm just like, it gets better and better and better, and like I've always just loved Adidas. So open sesame. Okay, these guys, I literally never would have thought I would have liked something like this with like all these colors, but honestly you guys, look how cute that is. Like, it's so cute, and you know what I really love is that it's different, because I don't like, I mean, people already have like a lot of the same style. Everybody, I feel like, kind of has like a lot of the same style, you know, new trends come out, new things come out. I don't know if it's just me, but I haven't seen these guys on many people, so I was like, alright, I'm fucking with these, like, for sure. So I decided to get these ones because they're like, it's like a mesh net kind of, but they're so comfortable, like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I wore them one time already because I couldn't wait like to show you guys before I wore them, and these guys, they're the Ultra Boost, so they're really like bouncy, and like honestly they're one of my most comfortable shoes. I have to just put it that way, like hands down. If you're looking for something because your feet hurt, right here, call them up, get some of these. These are also like, I love white, but I love the colors, but I'm like always scared to get white shoes because I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna spill something on them, knock on wood, or I'm gonna just, it's hard for me to keep shoes white. I definitely will wear these for training, as far as like jumping around and running, doing my sprints, because they're so comfortable. I'll definitely sprint in these. This part right here, the Ultra Boost part, it feels like I'm on a cloud, like right here. It's so squishy and delicious. And then yeah, there's the Ultra Boost, and like the bottom, you could see how it's like just so right there, the fluff. Oh yes. And then here's the mesh, and it has, you know, the Adidas on the front and Boost. But these are definitely one of my new favorites. This is my first pair of Ultra Boost. I don't have any Ultra Boost. I have plenty of Adidas, but no Ultra Boost, and I'm very happy with this. So I'll leave the number you can call, or I'll leave the website where I got these for real, because y'all need some. Especially if your feet are hurting. Like my feet, I have been doing the foam rolling and the medicine ball because everything on me has been hurting, and I have to admit, I'm not practicing what I preach. I have not been stretching enough. Sad. And I have no excuse. My excuse is that I've just been busy, and like, that's a poor excuse, isn't it? Yeah, you guys make sure you stretch. And make sure you wear the right shoes when you train, because honestly, don't just train in any shoes. Don't go train in like Converse and jump around because it's so flat. You have no support on your foot. Don't go train in, you know, like Air Maxes and do squats or things like that where it's not a flat surface. Like, you guys need to be careful if you want to work out for the rest of your lives. Oh, before I show you this one, my second favorite brand is Nike. Good job. Glad you guessed it. So Swish, just do it. Do it. I love that. Just do it. No excuses. You guys know on my last video I showed you I have the off-whites. Well, I had to. Look at these mother... Okay. I honestly have to say that this color, black, I like black more than white on a shoe typically because I feel like, like I'm saying, I love white, but me personally, I get stuff dirty. I feel like I'll get it dirty fast because I'm not the type to just like go in the gym and be careful what I'm doing. Like, I'm in there to freaking kill that shit. So when I'm in there, I'm jumping around, I'm doing things that, like, if my shoe gets dirty, it's like I can't worry about my shoes while I'm trying to just work out or have a good leg day or lunge and, you know, put my foot back. If it gets dirty, it's gonna get dirty. But these guys, oh my god, you guys, I showed you the last ones and I love to jump around in these. Like, the bubbles, just, I feel like I'm flying like a bunny, legit. And then this comes on all of the Off-Whites exclusive, the Off-White brand, although these are the black ones. And then it has that print on all of it. And these are, oh my god, there's a fly. These are like the mesh, so you have breathable fly knit right here. And then this protects the top. That's why I like this for when I do like lunges with my foot back on a chair, because this is in the front so it won't ruin my pretty fly knit. And then here in the inside, you guys, these are too legit to quit. I admit it, I'm addicted to shoes. What do you want me to do? Like, shoes are literally, it's just, when some people ask, like, why are people so into shoes? Well, first of all, I am a huge sneakerhead, and I have been one because my brother got me, honestly, he got me into it when he used to work in shoe stores, and I just fell in love with the different styles, and shoes complement your outfit, okay? Like, you can tell someone's style or not personality, someone's style from their shoes and their outfits. Like, what if you have this really, really cute outfit? Even, like, I mean, personally, me, a lot of people don't, but I love gym outfits. Like, I live for gym outfits and shoes. And what if you have this really cute outfit and then you have these trashed up shoes? Like, it just doesn't make your outfit look as good as it could. And I'm not banging on anyone's butt in here when I say like that, because some people aren't into shoes. I love everybody. I'm just saying, like, when people ask me why am I such a shoe freak or why do I love shoes so much, because I love, like, style, I love clothing, I love obviously shopping, you know, like, I love shoes because it complements your outfit, it complements like you and who you are, and it really does. And then also for working out, I love it because I'm not going to work out in the wrong shoes and have the wrong platform and hurt myself even more. So, like, these, honestly, I probably wouldn't squat in them because of the bottom, but I definitely would jump around in them. I definitely would do upper body. I would definitely do, like, you know, Stairmaster and things like that. But these guys I would also definitely wear for an outfit. Like, just like, watch. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm going to put these on and those on with just this plain, like, gray. I just have gray shorts on, little spankies, you know, and a sports bra. So it's like, I can wear this out to the store or wear this to, like, I typically don't wear this to the gym, just because I don't like that kind of attention with shorts in the gym. Like, I mean, if I have like a thing tied around my waist, but I'd rather just completely be like pants and stuff, just cause. But outside workouts, for sure I would wear this, like, or in my own little private gym, for sure I would wear this. But with these shoes and like this outfit, and that's why I chose to put this on, because I'm going to show you guys, oh, that's not the right one, both of the shoes that I got with this outfit, how it could be so simple but so cute, and just because of the shoes that complement it. Like, I could put on some old crappy shoes and this outfit might not look the same if they're all dirty and messed up, but these are like my favorite. Like, I literally think that these are my new favorites. I feel like I say that about everything. I just love everything. Like, honestly. So I'm gonna put these on and I'm gonna show you guys, and then yeah, we will go from there. Alright, Team T baby. So like you just saw, I just showed you my two quick, simple outfits with these shoes that just hype it up a little bit more. These are some new faves for the collection. Honestly, I don't know where I'm going to put all my shoes. Like, I used to have a separate room for just my shoes, and currently I don't. So it's like piling up, and I'm like, shit, I don't know where I'm gonna put all these, because I have a shoe addiction, just like some of y'all have a foot and feet fetish. I have a shoe fetish. Yeah, but I'm gonna put the link in the description. It's gonna be literally the first thing in the description on where I got these two pairs of shoes, and if you guys want to match me, I don't mind. If you guys want to get the same ones but a different color, that's even better to match, or get a different color. I don't care. I'm not like one of those people, you know. Obviously I'm encouraging it because I want you guys to feel how comfortable that these shoes are. So I will put everything in the description right at the top, and then let me know in the comments, or let me know when you get your pair and which ones you get. Take a picture, I don't care, take a video, show me, send it to me. I love sneakers just as much as I'm sure some of you out there love them too. And this place where I got them has amazing deals, and yeah, so I'm gonna leave that below, and I'm also gonna see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all.